I'm Nick Landon. This is my wife, Jessica Landon. We are building a Redford 2H.
One of my favorite parts about building and this whole experience has been the design studio. I loved that there were so many options. When I first came into it, I was concerned that I wasn't going to be able to find what I wanted, but I've been able to pick out everything I could have wanted from the beginning. Okay, so one of the things I think that sets Shaw apart from a lot of the other builders out there right now is just the quality is super consistent with each home that we've seen and gone into. And then of course the options in the studio, you just know what you're going to get ahead of time.
Advice to people that I know that would want to build would be to go over in detail what you go over in design studio, what you go over with your project manager. That way you know what you're getting that's on the list. Make sure that all the details are checked and crossed off the list so you know what you're getting in the end.
And I just think, knowing ahead if you're going to make any changes to the design at all, you just need to know that there are costs and fees with that ahead of time, and as long as you know that and have that cash set aside right in the beginning, then it works out really well.